Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Blogger. Let's get started. If you don't already have a domain, you can buy one on Namecheap. Go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Enter your domain name in the search bar. If it's available, click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. You can use a coupon code to get a discount if you're a new user. Next, fill in your personal details and payment information. Then click Continue and finally Pay Now. That's it, you've purchased your domain. Now go to your Namecheap dashboard. You'll see the domain you just bought. To manage the DNS, click Manage next to your domain. Go to the Advanced DNS tab, where you'll add the CNAME records from Blogger. Next, log in to your Blogger account. Go to Settings, scroll down to the Publishing section and click Custom Domain. Enter your new domain name and click Save. You'll now see a red message showing the CNAME information you need to add. Blogger will give you 2 CNAME records. Go back to Namecheap. For the first CNAME, set the host to www and copy and paste the provided value into the target field. Add the second CNAME record as shown in the video. Now, you'll also need to add A records provided by Blogger. Click the support link in the message to see them. Blogger usually gives 4 IP addresses. In Namecheap, add a new A record. For host, enter @ For value, copy and paste one of the IP addresses. Repeat this for all the IPs. Once all the CNAME and A records are added, save your changes. Go back to Blogger and click Save again. Then turn on the HTTPS redirect. Your domain may not work right away. It can take a few hours, up to 24 hours, for DNS changes to update. Just wait and check again later. After a few hours, your new Blogger website will be live with your custom domain. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you and see you next time.